A minute since we kicked it, you've been caught up with the bitches. I don't get it, you're a star love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'll never make you feel like that.
What's poppin', guys? I am on the way to get my lashes done. I decided to do maintenance this week, and I decided to take you guys along, okay? Because it's the beginning of February, it's love month, so why not treat yourself and get yourself together in the beginning, okay? So that's what our first stop is, to get my lashes done. And yeah, see you there.
I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you so afraid of? Telling you give, but you cannot take love.
So y'all, I got my lashes done. They look so good. I miss my girl, period. Now I'm on the way to get my eyebrows threaded. I'm already at the mall. My girl Maria, if y'all from Baton Rouge, y'all know Maria is the best threader. It's called Go Thread, but I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. Bye. Y'all, my favorite place in the world to get my eyebrows done. Oh, she got a whole sign now. Stop playing with her. And she about to whip me up. Whip me up, dip me up. I told him you the best threader, Maria. Everybody come for you. The brows is giving. Y'all done stopped at Chimes. Got me a little 1-2. Yeah. It's dead as hell in here. Nobody. Empty. Sit right here, Tootie. I got something for you, okay? I got something for you. Look, Tootie. Too, look. Ooh, I got you a gift. You see Miss Rachel? That's Miss Rachel. Look. It ain't working. It ain't working, Ma. Okay, there you go. Say prepare. You like it? You got your headband? Hold on. Wait. You like it, Tootie? What you got? The Miss Rachel.
Oh my goodness, where you get Miss Rachel from?
Tootie got it for you, thank you.
Say thank you.
You want to take it out? Tootie, you like it? Cute, huh?
Say yes, thank you.
She got a headband just like you. It's cute.
You love it?
Yeah. Let me open it. Hey, y'all. I'm always talking to y'all in the car, but I'm about to get ready to go and get my wax. It's the next day. I don't have my hair in. Child, what it's giving? Silly, okay? Off the color purple, that's what it's giving. It's giving a little Black History Month, okay? But yes, we are on the way to go and get my wax first and then get my hair done. My wax is used to seeing me, so you know, they probably never seen me like this. It's giving. I'm black and I'm proud. Say it loud. Okay. No, real talk. I'm on the way to go get my wax, and then I'm going to get my hair done after. See you there. What's poppin', y'all? So I just finished getting my wax, y'all. I was late. Okay, she was like, I don't know if she's gonna be able to do all of your services. No, but no, I got all the services or whatever. They got a queue set up in there. They don't be liking me to record, so I didn't record in there, but I am here. Yes. So yes, y'all. I just finished getting wax. Now I'm about to go pick up some hair from a client, give me some coffee, and then go to my hair appointment. Yeah, I feel like I got enough time to browse around too. I might go in TJ Maxx and see if they have some napkins for Valentine's Day. So yeah, just come along. Bye. Y'all, so I just got my drink from CC's. It's a mocha sippy. They got like a little powdered cinnamon on top of it. And then I got a muffin. So yummy. Let's taste it. I always tell them to warm it. So good. What's poppin', y'all? So I'm at the hair salon. I'm sitting outside. I made it early. Y'all, I'm tired I'm trying to stop cursing. I'm tired, y'all. I'm so sleepy. And yeah, I'm gonna be bopping my head in there while she doing my hair. But I'm here, period. She done did my hair before. I don't feel like I ever put her in a video or whatever, but the two girls that do work in the shop, I actually go get my hair done by both of them. It's giving whoever I decide to choose. It depends on what I'm getting. And yeah, I love the way both of them do my hair, so definitely come and check out the shop, guys. I'm gonna show you guys what it's giving when I go inside. Period. Yeah, I'm about to get my hair done. It's giving I have to shake it hard, y'all. I know it's barely moving. I know. Y'all should go back and watch my old videos when I was bald headed, okay?
It's getting there.
I came a long way.
Okay, so what's the vibe?
Okay. It be like that. Y'all, that's what we at. I'm gonna set the camera up for y'all eventually. Okay? This not right now. We talk.
Trying to set the camera.
We write it down. Period. Hey y'all, I just wanted to get on here and show y'all my hair. I love my hair, y'all. So cutesy. My girl always slay. Okay, hold on, I didn't even show y'all where I went. Let me pull it back up.
Virgin love, are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time, you know I'm part.
Y'all, I done made it to the nail shop. The girls is giving it to the girls.
Party, I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh, no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna lay with you. That's the least I'ma do. Persian rugs, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we
Y'all, so I got my nails done. But I didn't get no designs on them because I'm a designer myself. So you guys gonna see me designing myself, period. But I don't like doing the base. Like, ever. Never. I hate doing it. I hate doing my own hair. I hate doing my own anything. And it's giving pamper yourselves. But I'm on the way to Walmart. In Walmart. I'm about to go see my mama. Let's see what she got going on.
Turning up, boy, we wasting time.